Yo, yo, yo. It's good, everybody. Let the chat fill in. Let me make sure this is up and running on my side. 1 minute or longer. Okay, should be good. Yo, Kevin, what's good, bro? Your first comment in here. Letting the chat fill up a little bit. How's your day going? Nothing's going on crazy. Nothing's crazy, honestly. Except large coffee today. Had to go with a large coffee today. Honestly, I didn't really get to check out the market yet. AMC, GameStop. Yeah. Both green. Holding up pretty well. What's the SPY doing? Make sure this chat is staying on. Yo, Antoinette. What's up? You do any trades today? Not much is up with me. Right now, I'm taking a look at the markets because I didn't really check yet. The SPY is ripping despite the inflation numbers that came out, which is pretty interesting. I do not like Weeble's charting anymore. Check out the SPY on here. Not too much myself. I sold SPY calls for a small profit. Nasty. I didn't trade yet today, but I might. I was thinking about it, but I don't know. I was thinking about sort of like a calm Friday. I don't know if I want to trade yet. But just in case we do trade, I have my futures trading platform here in case we want to make a trade on live. So I'll think about that right now. It's pushing. Kind of breaking out of this little, kind of got like this gigantic rising wedge. My drawings are going to show up. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really going to touch the futures right now. I just wanted to just leave it up there in case anything. We'll wait for that breakout. Maybe we'll honestly hop in. Why did this just move? Wait for this breakout of this rising wedge here. Maybe we'll hop in, but there's it's like 2x margin right now on there, and we only have like just about 200 in the account, so I don't know. Chase Colt, what's good, bro? These AMC games are getting old. Yeah, I know how you feel. Honestly, I'm just waiting to see if Aron, if his whole pounce thing is actually going to do anything. By the way, what do you guys think about that? Because he kept tweeting the number 4 for specific things, and people are having different theories, especially because he said Doctor Strange 4 times and stuff. Let's see. You're done for the day, Antoinette? I have $20 expiration August 19th and $50 expiration 9/16. Keep getting screwed. For AMC, Chase, you got some calls. Let's see, Antoinette. I won't chance losing money today. I'm going to pay all my August bills and watch from the sidelines. You're gonna feel really good after you do that. You're gonna feel really good about not trading today. I told myself that once, the same thing you did, and I was done trading for the day, and then I reopened my computer and I lost everything. That was a while ago, so definitely I would just chill out. Let's see. Debating if I should sell for small loss or hold. I have 3,200 shares. I'm just going to hold. Yeah, for AMC, just annoyed. Yeah, options on AMC are tough. 3,200 shares, that's a lot of shares. In reality, if you took the time to kind of find what type of cycles are being played through on AMC, you kind of took the time just to see the type of cycles AMC is being played through, you might do well with options, but it's always a risk. Because cycles can play out inverse as well. I've gotten screwed on options on AMC. That's just kind of like a complete gamble, honestly. Let's see. I bought 10 AMC calls. I'm going to wait until Monday and buy more. Nasty. What expiration did you grab? What expiration did you grab on those? Let's check Twitter. Let's see what's happening. So the mass investor says, so SEC.gov, I have a legit question for you. How many strikes does an institution get until jail time? The people want to know because it's way past 3 strikes for everyone. They don't get jail time, buddy. SEC is not going to answer that, but they don't get jail time. Let's see. Whoa, millennials are to blame for sky-high inflation, Strategist says. What the fuck? That's crazy. Remember when they said inflation was bad because we were complaining about it? Literally, how does that make sense? I feel like the computer is going a little slow because I have 132 tabs open. But China's banks report 312 million of loans at risk to the increasing number of home buyers. Yeah, China home buyers are refusing to pay mortgages. That's something that's been popping up. And then the Canadian bank, I believe the Canadian bank's preventing withdrawals. Let's see. Bank of America was fined $225 million. We know that. I thought I saw something also about what is it? JP Morgan being fined for something today. I'm not positive. Let's see. I bought 916 and 85 and 729. Car repos are getting bad. Damn. Yeah, what strike price? Car repos. Really? They're saying people who finance cars in 2020 through 2022 are 30 to 60 days past due. Yeah. Yeah, I know, honestly, people personally who are behind in car payments. Let's see. What is with this, like, GameStop versus AMC thing? These move together. Although I will say, this is getting crazy with GameStop. Almost half of the float is locked in direct registered shares on GameStop. And if Adam Aron doesn't do anything for this whole pounce and it doesn't trigger anything like the run, and GameStop actually does squeeze, I think DRS is going to have to be the way to go. But I'm not going to say that yet. I just want to see how it plays out. GameStop, I think, is pretty primed to move because they have barely any shares available to borrow and a high fee to borrow these shares. We're losing on the options chain now. 11,000 calls to 13,000 puts expiring in the money. Let's see what max pain is. GameStop. Dude, people have calls at 500 for GameStop. Expiring July 5th. Another 17,000 call contracts for 500. Let's see. Strikes 25, 30, and 50. I'm going to start dropping my options trades in the Discord. Nasty. Yeah, go for it. People will probably follow up too. Geez, if AMC gets over 17 today, we're going to have 116,000 calls expiring in the money. Right now, we have to close above 15, though. If AMC can close above 15, which I think we can do, check it out on the 1 minute. Max pain, I believe, is 15 on AMC. This is going to be cutting it close. You can just tell by how things set up. What the algos do. Let's grab this on the 5 minute. Oh, AMC is getting a little pop right here, 15.22. Kind of trading the same way as yesterday, day before. Looks like throughout the day it's going to climb. and then just get hammered down towards the end. Probably pushed right under 15, or they're going to try to. I bet they're going to try to push it right under 15. We'll see what happens. I think DRS is it. Simple supply and demand take away supply and demand will fly. Yeah, that's what you'd think. That is what you'd think, except somehow they got AMC from $70 to 15 with only 10% of the float left. It's absurd. No, I know what you mean though. Ah, man. What else we can chart? Leroy, what's good, bro? How's it going? You didn't really miss much. Kind of just hopped in not long ago. Checking some things out. We want AMC to close above 15. We want GameStop to close above 130 at least, preferably one. Honestly, like the big spot for GameStop, in my opinion, is 160 and then 200. Let's check out GameStop again. I think 200 is runtime, but overall 160 is the spot I would like to get over. Clean break over 160 would be nasty. Right about here. It's actually right at the middle of this wedge we have drawn out. GameStop's looking dirty though. It was kind of hard to chart day by day because this thing is whipsaw. But I think again from July 19th to July 21st, you're gonna have a major move up, whether that's the big run or it's just a cycle starting up again. That's where it's gonna happen. I was also looking at something else, guys. I didn't make a video about this. I was just kind of just chilling the other day. I think, remember, not financial advice. I'm just a guy, but I think BBIG is a buy right now. If anybody has extra capital, I think BBIG is a disgusting buy. Just because if you take a look at the lows of it, it's pretty much at like ground zero right now. Like a dollar flat for BBIG is a steal. Not only that, but you're coming up on a part of a cycle where you're going to get a pop. So even if you don't want to hold long term, in my opinion, I think BBIG is going to get a pop soon. Whether that's up to $1.50 or whether that's up to $3, I couldn't tell you, depending on how this is played. But I'm going to keep an eye on BBIG. It's up 3% today. I want to keep a little eye on that. Let's look at Shift Technologies because I know this one was going crazy the other day. Let's see. Shift. Looks like a trap. Let's see. Good and you. It's Friday. Yeah, I'm doing good, and I'm happy it's Friday. But honestly, this week kind of flew by. I wanted to see more. I'm happy AMC and GameStop like held their value this week, but I wanted to see more of like some sort of rip. I was really hoping for it. I'm glad it's Friday, but I miss the markets on the weekends. I really do. Want the market to open up. Welcome to the chat. Hit the like button. Thanks. Thank you, my mod. Thank you. When Prius. Oh man, fuck that. I will sell right now if I'm getting a Prius out of this. At least AMC's up 20% on the week, so that's something we can be happy about. Yes, 160. You say yes, 160. Yeah, 160 for GameStop. No more stimmy, no more unemployment benefits, no more mortgage moratorium and rent moratorium. That's why the car repos are bad. Yeah. Want your opinion on Sundial? Thanks, Fleming. No problem. Let's check it out. Sundial, dude. I haven't looked at Sundial in a while. This stock makes me all bubbly. I don't know why. It's like makes me all bubbly because I remember when I first got into stocks. Sundial was like that thing day trade off rip. This is what I'm looking at. I see kind of the same thing playing out right now on Sundial. Take a look. Sundial is another one of these companies that's ran by algos, and you could just tell by the chart aspect of it. But let's see if we can grab something out of this. Grab this. this. Like, by looking at it, like, it's crazy how some things play so similar to each other. I have another one of these. I mean, look at, you can't make this shit up, honestly. Make this shit up. Hold on. I'm just messing around right now with the charts. I'll give you my real opinion in a minute. But I want to see. Yeah. All right. Well, from a chart aspect, let's take a look. Sundial, pretty low. I would say if you were going to get in Sundial, you're risking the lows of the stock at around 14 cents. So you're risking about 50. You're risking about 50% if you were getting this for, I mean, depending on what you think about the company, cannabis stock, right? Depending on where you think it's going to go, you're risking 50% for about, let's say the next level up for about another 50%. I'd say like this is an even entry right now if you wanted to get in Sundial, but there, in my opinion, there is more more upside. I don't know about Sundial. I think it's a risky play, and it always gets hammered down when you think it's gonna fly. Like it's kind of just held down. I'll tell you right now, Tilray, Sundial, Mullen, Bork's Technology, BBIG, whatever you want to call, whatever you want to name. I think when the S&P 500 rips, Sundial is going to do great. AMC is going to do great. GameStop's going to do great. BBIG, Mullen, everything that's trapped in a cycle by short sellers and market makers is going to do great, in my opinion. I really do. Bears like bear markets. Bears win in bear markets, and I'm waiting for that rip. I think Sundial is going to do great, honestly. Sundial is going to do nasty. But if you're talking about, let's see, if you're talking about like the shorter time frame, let's see. Well, you have a base right here for support. And then you have this one you can't really draw out right now. Ultimately, this is bearish to a point because you're in a falling wedge. Whether you want the big time frame or the smaller time frame, if this breaks this support, if Sundial breaks support at about 30 cents, you're probably going to come down, hit this trend line again, right? Depending on when that is, 18 cents, 14 cents, whatever, until you hit new lows. If I were to jump in, or if I was thinking about jumping in, I would wait. I would wait for a reversal, or at least I would wait for, if I was going to enter this, I would wait for a break over this. I would wait for a break over 40 cents to be my confirmation, so that way I don't get in too risky, right? Because if I got in now and you get rejected here again, or you just come down to the lows of the stock, you could have got in cheaper. I'm not touching it, but that's just what I would say about Sundial if you're not in yet. Got to go back to work. See you later, bro. See you, Leroy. I should have a video later, depending on how late we stay on live. You're down 16% on Sundial. I have $1 Sundial calls, January 2024. Hey, that's not bad, though. That's far out. Jeffrey. Watch AMC lose at 15.49. What do you mean watch AMC lose at 15.49? Max Payne's 15 this week, is it not? Fleming, thanks, bro. No problem. If I didn't answer any of your questions, Fleming, let me know, because I haven't looked at Sundial in a while, so I could have been a little rusted on there. Oh, watch it close at 15.49. All right, I'll mark your words on that. Mark your words on that. And we're going to do this. Let's see, Jeffrey. You know what? That's what we're going to do. Jeffrey says 1549. Drop your close. That sounded terrible. Let's rewind. Drop what you think AMC is going to close at today. Don't drop your close, please. Okay. All right. Well, it's at 1548, but we're going to leave that there. And, you know, we're going to make sure we remember. Jeff said this. Okay. Jeff's close right here. Mark your words on that. But it has walls at 15, calls at 1550. Christian, 1592 for Christian. I hope Jeff is correct. Yeah, I hope all you guys are correct, right? If it closes up 15, I'll be pretty happy. 1515, okay. 1515. I want to give my opinion. I want to check out what I'm thinking here. Let's give the battle of the close. Let's check it out. Either do like this. You know they're gonna want to drop it below 15, but lately they've been off. Might rip at 3 p.m. There's a very little bit short cover. Elaborate on that, Internet. Elaborate a little bit. Love your thinking. It's dangerous, but I love it. Over 16 today. Next week even higher than next week. Than the week after. Over 36. That's me. We break over 36. I think it's honestly probably game over. Let's see if we broke over 36 bucks. Oh yeah, that's game. If you break over 36, that's game. That's breaking this long-lasting resistance back here. If you break 36, that'd be nasty. That would be disgusting. I wanted to run to 35 to offload my calls and recoup my losses. I'll continue to hold my shares. Yep, they'll attack it a little at the very end and buy more after hours. Internet, yeah, they did close a few older shorts but open new ones. Thoughts on GME dividend next week? Oh, I'm excited. From my understanding of a dividend split, because a lot of people are saying this doesn't mean anything. You know, if anything, it's going to be worse for us. You know, short sellers are going to do this and that, which I don't know. From my understanding is whether it's a dividend for shares or dividend paid out through cash. If you're short on the company, you do have to pay out that dividend from whoever shares you're borrowing from. So it's just going to be 4x the pressure, in my opinion, or at least at the very least, it's going to be a sweeter price because a lot of people didn't get into GameStop because it's $200, right? A lot of retail who opened a Robinhood account with $200 to $500 isn't going to buy a $200 stock when everyone's saying this other company is going to do the same exact thing, but this was $10 a share. You know, everyone got into AMC for that reason. So when GameStop hits $30, I mean, you can take all the other technicals out of the way, right? Oh, 4-to-1 split is going to be bad for us. Fuck that, right? GameStop at $30 is who's not going to buy it? Honestly, who's not going to buy it? You're going to have all this new clientele here at $30. This is where GameStop's going to be sitting. gonna be dirty. I don't know. I'm excited, honestly. I don't think it's a bad thing in any way. I'll put it that way. I'm not saying I'm neutral. I'm not saying whatever. I don't think there's any way for it to be a bad thing. I think shit has to happen. Shit has to go down, and why not, right? We've been sitting here for over a year anyway. So make a split. Let's see what happens. Let's see what it does. Correct, that's the residence. 15:35, end of day. Other stocks deserve AMC no dilution. Other stocks deserve your thumbs up. Thank you. Yeah, smash that like if you guys want to. No pressure. Yes, Jeffrey, they've been doing that for 2 weeks. Close and open new short positions. Shorts don't have to do anything. Yep, internet. Let's see. The only thing that will rise GameStop is FOMO at the minute. Only invested AMC until last week and scooped up a couple GME shares. YOLO. Send it. It's a split, not a dividend. It's actually a dividend split. So it is a dividend, but they're not issuing it in cash. You're getting shares. From what I understand. I'm wrong. But that's what I've taken out of it. Let's see. Oh yeah, my end of day for AMC. I don't want to be that guy, but I feel like they're gonna smack it down to 1485 for some reason, but I don't want to be that guy. I'll put it this way: I think if we get over 1540, they're probably not gonna get us under max pain. I want to get over 1540, and then I'll be comfortable up here. I think if we get over this, we should be good. That's a strong in my opinion. All right, let's check out the SPY. What's the SPY doing? SPY's still running. Don't get it. Bad news, and the SPY runs after. Well, I guess it's kind of just priced in at this point, right? Uncertainty priced in. We got the inflation numbers. I have 2 AMC NFTs. What do people think I can sell them for? If you were going to try to sell them right now, honestly, probably no more than $50 in my opinion. I'd say probably like $20, $17. I don't know though. I could be way off. People could be charging OD. I don't know what that comes down to in Ethereum, but probably really cheap. Only because they're issued to everybody holding AMC in general. Let's check out the SPY here. You guys think I'm gonna put up a poll? Actually, I'm gonna put up a poll. If my computer doesn't crash, I'll put up a poll. What? I don't know what this is. Guys, if something goes wrong in the chat, drop Fs, please. Right now, it's not looking too hot. I mean, you're witnessing how slow this is in real time. All right. Did the SPY bottom? Yes or no? I want to know your thoughts. More downside or rally time? That's what I want to know. I want to know what you guys think on this. Using OBS. Yeah, channel owner, I'm using OBS. Do you have any recommendations on why this thing is slowing my computer? You might need more RAM. Yeah, I think so, dude. It's an old MacBook, so doing the best I can. Does it not help with all the tabs that are open? I assume. Okay, everybody's saying more downside so far. Guys, make sure to drop a vote. What do you think the S&P is going to do? 16 gig of RAM minimum. So right now, I don't know. The SPY it's looking all right, right? But I didn't think it was ready for a rally personally. I thought we were going to come down to 350 before the SPY actually rebounded. 1532 has been an interesting number. I think the SPY will sell off. They don't have They don't. The next basis point hike, he should go to 2 full points. See, right now they are just walking it up to burn premiums. That's what I was thinking. They are not ready to crash the market just yet, but it's coming. When phase 6 comes in September, they are fucked. Yeah, I personally don't think it bottomed out yet either. Desktop holds better with electricity. Yeah, I know. I wish I had the, I'm out right now, so I'm at my sister's apartment. Brought the laptop. I don't really go on the computer too much. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. S&P 500. What were we talking about? Oh yeah. I kind of like look at Bitcoin when I'm thinking, is the market gonna rebound? Is it over? And the reason for that is because I think a lot of institutions or just bigger players in general stash their cash in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos, right? The blue chip cryptos, and of course Terra. That was terrible. No pun intended on there. But I don't see Bitcoin rebounding. Therefore, I don't see institutions, in my opinion, getting comfortable. And until I see Bitcoin start rebounding and climbing back up, I don't think the SPY is going to rally. I really don't, because this to me shows institutions and hedge funds aren't comfortable yet. They're waiting for more downside or whatever is to come. And until they're not getting comfortable, I'm just going to sit here. It's going to sit here as well. I mean, right now Bitcoin's doing all right, but if you take a look on the daily, it's not looking right. This just shows more room for downside. If this crumbles again, you're probably looking. If you break under 16,000, that's terrible for Bitcoin, honestly. If you break under 16,000, and I think they were planning on getting more harsh with rate hikes. If I'm not mistaken. Let's see, phase 6. What do you mean by phase 6? Market tends to crash in September, October, something. SPY sub 300 this fall. Oh, that'd be dirty. Yeah, isn't September through November the worst months? I believe on the SPY. I could be wrong on the overall market in general. You can tell the Fed is just trying to save this. Like, look how slow of a fall this is. Slow of a fall. I think we need that really harsh dip. Honestly, if we go sub 300, that's going to make a lot of people rich. That's what we're thinking about when you lost train of thought. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, for the SPY, I feel like we have to get to this harsh sell-off, like this nasty sell-off, because I think the Fed is trying to make it a light fall. Too much of a light fall. I think we need something like this, like the COVID crash. I mean, we're already down over 120, I think, points from the peak. Not quite. We got down about 119 points. If you're looking at the COVID crash, which happened a lot faster, you were down about 122 points-ish on the SPY. Let's see, every major crash occurs between August and November. Ooh, to everyone here on this channel owner, I don't know what you're about to say, but I hope it's positive. What are you guys thinking on AMC? Okay, if the market, not this channel owner. If the market crashes, like everyone's thinking in the chat, right? Because most people are thinking more downside. What do you think for AMC if the market crashes? Because my initial thought was, bears like bear market, they're going to have more leverage to suppress the price further for margin calls. I think it would be a bad thing, or at least a delay on AMC and GameStop. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? Because I would love to sway my opinion on this. Love to hear this. Dollar General surged in 2008. Negative beta, market crash, AMC goes up. Really? Okay, so people think negative beta is going to kick in. It's interesting. Well, let's add the S&P 500 and overlay AMC. Let's see how often this whole negative beta actually pops up. I'd like to look at this. So right here, oh man, I'm gonna delete everything. Okay, so right here, clear as day, right? AMC falling. This was before it was on our radar. S&P rallying. Negative beta. Prime example of negative beta. This is beautiful. And then AMC ripped with the SPY to a point, right? Sold off with the SPY to a point. And currently, we have not seen negative beta before, or at least since the time period where it wasn't even on our radar, right? I think this whole negative beta theory or whatever, negative beta was just said to be negative beta because shorts were burning this to the ground. And of course, the S&P 500, one of the most popular ETFs, is going to slowly rally, slowly recover. So just to call this stock a negative beta is like, oh, this thing's going to run into the ground. I don't know. What do you guys think on that? If you look at this, this is probably about February of 2017, November of 2020. Almost 3 years. Looking at almost 2 years right here. I don't know, man. I don't know. Interesting. Let's see. Banks are screwed. Both are hating. Yeah, good morning. I think AMC is going to run a little bit and drop under 970. Under 970 again, Sandy. Really? How many of you guys think AMC is going lower than 10 bucks again? What's your perspective on DWAC? Isn't Trump beefing with Elon right now? I doubt DWAC is actually doing good. Oh my god, it is. Okay, well, first of all, I have to move AMC. We can look at this chart alone. DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. Wow, this thing is actually, looks like it's setting up for something. We don't have after hours right here, so let's see if there's a gap fill. I don't see a gap fill on DWAC. Back DWAC. Looks like it's having trouble at this $31 level. I don't see it having a problem breaking through that, to be honest. If I were to get in DWAC right now, I would hop out at 36. Honestly, I would hop out right around cap on 36. Honestly, like 35.75. This is where I see the next big spot for resistance. Honestly, DWAC's looking decent. I think this may potentially climb and get rejected here before another sell-off. If another sell-off is coming, or another catalyst. I don't know if another catalyst is going to cause DWAC to do something. But it looks like this happens pretty often with DWAC. It kind of just shows you when the setups are coming. Right here, ran. Kind of extremely similar. You have the same thing kind of setting up. Yeah, DWAC's not bad. I personally, from a fundamental perspective, I have no idea what this is worth. I have no idea how good the platform is. I don't think I have it through social. Honestly, I have no idea. Oh, what is this though? Donald Trump stepped down as director of his media group last month. Digital World board members received subpoenas over proposed merger with Trump's social media firm. Interesting. Interesting. How do I close this? I don't want to see this anymore. Okay, well, it's going to be there. Oh, wait, there we go. Ooh. Okay, now I get the full chart. This is a game changer here. Let's see, I follow Kramer. Whatever he says, I do the opposite. Okay, I thought you were going to say I follow Kramer. Whatever he says, I go for. I was about to say, dog, you must have blown up your accounts. Fleming, Sandy Smith, sell your shares now on buyback when 970. Well, it's always a risk. I mean, it's always a risk, right? Sometimes I think like, oh, you know, over the next week, AMC is going to retrace down to 13 before a rip, but I wouldn't sell and then grab back then. I mean, it's always a risk. Everyone has their opinions. Ivana Trump died last night or this morning. Yeah, I heard that. That was his ex, right? That's not like his wife. Oh, my neck hurts. I bought 916 DWAC calls. Once he officially announces he's running, it's going to 100 easy. Yeah, actually, I forgot about that. Honestly, Trump has a lot of, you know, it's just like a any celebrity, right? They have a lot of shit behind them. It's like if Elon was gonna tweet Dogecoin's flying. I think DWAC's not bad at $30, especially because of that. You know, Trump says he's running again, and for some reason DWAC starts flying. Like it says, this is the randomest shit, dude. I think AMC's getting close to something though, and I'm getting pretty excited. August 4th. I wonder what this pounce is gonna be. Yes, X. It wasn't Melania. Okay, that's why people are buying the rumor. Buy the rumor, sell the news, baby. House votes to restore abortion rights nationwide after Supreme Court ruling. Let's see, Google. Google. 20-to-1 stock split effective after close today. Oh, I bet Google's running. Let's check it out. Does anyone have Google? Anybody own Google in here? Okay, I want this. I want to see my, dude. Does anybody know how to work TradingView? I want my, oh, there we go. All right, Google's up 1%. That's nothing, right? Ooh, it's in this little sideways channel here. Google 20-to-1 stock split. How long ago did this come out? I'm surprised it's not moving. Let's see. This is bullish. Rising wedge. It's not the prettiest, but I think Google's probably going to do good. We are also on the daily, though. Let's check out the 2-hour. And not bad. Not bad. Depending on if this news actually hit people and they reacted to it, Google's probably going to break out of this at some point. I don't know how long this is going to take, but some point, Google's probably going to break out. Let's see. Diamond Music Production says DWAC is a play. A political play. I made money on both runs, 36 at the 3645 and potentially run up to 100. That's in a month or two. DWAC is going to be a squeeze play, small float. Matt does. Matt, what, Coors knows how to work TradingView? I might sell 100 shares of AMC to buy more DWAC. Sad. If you're gonna be sad about it, Anthony, I don't know. I don't know if that's the best choice, but do you? Trump said he's running indirectly, but not officially. It's coming. I think he will now. Yeah, I think so. And Biden said he's gonna run again. Listen, I'm not the one to jump into politics, but like, dude, the guy doesn't know where the fuck he's at, and he's he's about to run again. Like, I don't even know if it's him saying what he's saying anymore. It's like, tell them, go on news today and say you're gonna run again. It's like, what? It's like, what does that mean? I can't run. I don't know. But if you're gonna sell shares for another stock and you're gonna be sad about it, my best, remember, not financial advice. What I would do, I would just make a few spicy trades, like quick day trades, and slowly buy. Joe Biden doesn't have any juice left in him. Yeah, I would slowly buy whatever stock you're looking at after day trading, not financial. People are backstage saying "pull the arms." Yeah, I think Kamala is running the country. Yep. Will. Oh, hold on a minute. You saying a little pump incoming or a little pump? Lil Pump for president? No, I'm fucking with you. Lil Pump, he's running. Would you guys select Lil Pump or Biden again? Lil Pump or Biden? I want to hear that. It's fucking hilarious. Oh, man. Oh, AMC's fighting this resistance level. Let's see what happens here. Holy shit, Diamond Music. XXXXX amount shareholder. And he's not talking about the porn site. Been in it for a year and more. Nasty. Y'all are crazy. I'm waiting for AMC to break out, but there's no volume. They got a little volume spike right here, up to 1528. Guys, you think we should make a futures trade? I don't know. It's kind of like that part of the day where it's kind of just boring and nothing's really happening. Let's see. And now I don't know where the fuck this thing's going, honestly. This looks like I would have to really start checking it out. This is the micro Russell 2000. You can honestly pull it up on TradingView too. M2K futures. All right, let's see. Ooh, fighting heavy resistance here. Yeah, this is a tough spot. Tough spot for it. Ooh, all the way across the board. It's a tough spot. Interesting. Interesting. If this does go above, I don't think it's going above for long. Same thing with the S&P. Let's see. Me too, Diamond. I've got over 5K shares. Nasty. I bought AMC at 550, then I bought in the 30s and 40s, and now I'm upside down. LOL. Now you're good. The thing is, people like, I know people that come on the channel, and a lot of the times I don't give them the time of day just because it's like, oh, whatever. They're bitching again. But then it's like sometimes I'm like, yo, let's answer these people back because why not? But the people who come on the channel and like under every video and they're like, oh, this stupid fucking scam. AMC's a scam. It's like, dude, no one told you to buy in. If you don't know why you buy a stock, that's literally like loaning your money to a stranger. That's like a bank giving a homeless guy with no credit a fucking $20,000 loan and then saying, oh, you didn't pay me back. Well, dude, I don't know. I don't know if you know where I'm getting at or what I'm getting at, but if you know your conviction in the play, then you're good. Honestly, you're good. We know what's coming. 18 is the next number, then 22. Then 22 is the number we need to close over. Then big volume will start coming in. 22 bucks. Let's go to the 2-hour chart. See where 22 bucks is at. Oh, 22 would be a good level. 22 would be nasty, but got a little bit of resistance here at 22. Back here. I think, yeah, break over 22 would be nice. Break over 22 would be good. That'd be spicy. I don't even think they wanted it to go over 22 back here when we had that halt at 34. Dude, literally AMC was about to crack 36 this day, and they were like, oh, fuck. And they had to pull some crazy shit behind the scenes. And then Dave Lauer came out with that conflict of interest loop and shit when when we got halted and all of the GameStop calls were said to be in the money at like $500 or some crazy shit like that. Let's see, Internet. I bought first batch of 100 at 192. Damn. No way. That's like a cent higher than the lowest of AMC. Didn't AMC get to 191? Dude, that is disgusting. Let's see. Yo, me and my 8 of my close friends just purchased 560,000 shares of AMC. Half through Robinhood, half through Webull. The message said your order cannot be filled at this time. 7-day hold until shares are available. Spaz out. Do you want to send me a picture of that? Feel free to. I mean, you don't have to, but feel free to send a picture to my email. Because that'd make for a good video. $560,000 shares. Holy shit, buddy. You're on Wall Street? Let's see. Only bet where you can afford to lose? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I've been in since December 2020. No shares left. Haha. Real or another glitch? Yeah, real or another glitch. But honestly, if I was buying 560,000 shares, spaz out. Now, financial advice. I would not. Remember, hear me one more time. I would not buy 560,000 shares, half on Robinhood, half on Webull. That's a death wish. That's like putting your money in the furnace. I think if you own them on there now, it's like whatever, but buying them now through Robinhood or Webull is risky. Don't care. Let's see, Diamond Music Production. Yeah. We know what they did to us. We don't care for that. This is an infinite play. This is going to happen whether they fucking like it or not. Everyone knows it, yeah. He's joking. Channel on it, bro. Jeffrey said drinks on him this weekend. LOL, yeah. I'm not joking. That's what I thought. He's not joking. Channel on it. Now you're confusing me, dude. Don't confuse me. Come on. Did everyone in here see last night's video? I never usually post 2 videos, right? But I posted a price prediction, and then I posted another one, and the thumbnail just said fuck. And there was a reason for that, because I think my price prediction might have been off. But actually, that actually reminds me. Let's see what AMC. $62 million, $48 million, $32 million, $52, $36, $35, $17 today. Wow, volume doesn't pick up today. That is dirty. If we want to push higher, we need volume to pick up. We do. Yo, one to watch in my Discord says, am I the only one thinking the bottom's already in, or am I retarded? Oh my gosh. Oh, what the fuck? Let's see, Internet. My cost average is 1562. That's nasty. Really bought that many shares, Spaz. This goes to being green again. Yeah, I bought. What's your email? Here, let me put it in chat, actually. I'll put it in chat. You guys can send me whatever. Yeah, guys. So Wednesday, I actually drove to Wall Street. So I went to Wall Street. Me and my girlfriend went down there, and I attempted for you guys what I thought would be a dope video. I thought it would be a sick video to put on the channel, interviewing people on Wall Street, right? Because I had questions lined up for them, and I just wanted to see like what the difference would be between someone on Wall Street and someone like, you know, average investor, average guy opening up a Robinhood account, whatever. And I had questions lined up for them, and I got absolutely turned down. Like, these guys were dicks. Like, as soon as they heard like me open my mouth, they were like, Bill, Bill, fuck you talking to me for? And I posted the video. It's still like, it's an alright video. I posted the video on members only. And the reason I did that is because I only had bloopers from the video. I still made a whole video out of it. It's like a little over a 2-minute video, but posted it on members only. So if you guys do want to become a member, you can do that. Honestly, members is just like, we don't have a lot of subscribers and viewers on the channel. Like, we do have a decent amount, but it's not like enough as like a huge YouTuber to live off of. So members only is kind of just like support. Like, if you want to support, you can become a member. Also, you get earlier access to videos every day. Let's see. Diamond Music Production. Bior is another solid stock long term. Got in at 65 cents. XXXXX amount of shares. Wait for a solid run up to 630. Made money on the first run. Going at it $2. Ran up to $6, and now I'm back. Diamond Music isn't Bior. Isn't that what Prague turned into? Wasn't that the ticker change? I could be wrong. I might be wrong. Wasn't this Prague before? Spaz out. Yes, 9 of us put in to purchase shares in AMC. Damn, nasty. LMAO, they all looked at you like, get away from me. Yeah, it was, yeah. Yo, Droobs, what's good, bro? Got my chocolate chip cookies, Dr. Pepper, and listening to my guy. Dude, do I have chocolate chip cookies right here? Yeah, I got fudge stripe. I'll take it. Got coffee. We good. I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you guys. Let's see. He says BIOR is another solid company. Overall, just looking at this, it may run with the other small companies when SPY rallies, right? Small mid cap companies that are controlled a bit. But right now, this is a failing company. This is bad. Just from a chart aspect, this is failing. This company is not doing good. Yeah, I wouldn't get into something like this. It is at an extreme low, so if you do have faith in it, then solid, right? It's at like all-time lows or very close. So if you have faith in it, definitely. Or short term, I mean, it does usually come to lows and then get a little bit of a rally. Let's take low to low. Yeah, it's kind of doing the same shit. Same cycles like the other stocks, right? Come to a low. Come to a low. I mean, these are getting like just disgusting. How like easy these companies are controlled. Making money on them is fine. Like, make money when Mullen rips, BBIG rips, and BIOR, but I don't know. Moneymaker, of course, $1.60 for BIOR, then it will rally nicely. We'll see. But it seems like there's not really any volume on it. AMC down to 650,000 shares available to borrow. If we stay over 16, 28,000 calls expiring in the money. I don't get it. 8.1% cost to borrow fee on AMC. That's so gross. Like, utilization has been at 100% maxed out for over 100 days. Cost to borrow doesn't creep up. How is anybody saying? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get why the cost to borrow is so low. It makes no sense. Calls are beating the puts, 67,000 to 65,000 in the money, dude. If the SPY rallied, if we had less, like if we had an 8.2% inflation or CPI data that came out instead of a 9.1 or whatever it was, right? If we had that and the SPY rallied, oh my god, AMC, the gamma would have been nuts. 524,000 contracts out of the money. Like, dude, the ball would have just kept rolling. And look at these fucking short exempts stacking up. This is horrific, too. 500,000 every day since the 6th. Since the 6th on AMC. July 6th. Let's go to... Okay, let's pull up the 3-hour chart. This is interesting, right? 500,000 since July 6th. This is the start of July 6th, and where we're at. They do not, right? They do not want this thing to go. They're not ready. Absolutely not ready. These shorts are going to get fucked up. They don't want this thing to go. All they can do is keep it in the sideways channel that we've been trading in. Till the time comes, because, you know, people talk about, oh, they don't want it under 10, right? Because of collateral haircuts. Back in the 20s is a psychological thing. It's going to be a lot more appealing. If this thing gets in the 20s, I think they're also toast again. This halt back here, this was probably extremely hard to stop the stock from rallying. Also, this time frame where we're at, where these short exempts are stacking up, the failure to delivers are extremely high, like they were back when we had the run to 70. So they're trying to stump the momentum as hard as they can, and they're not ready for this thing to run. So depending on what Adam Aron's pounces could just absolutely obliterate them. Channel owner says dark pools. Yeah, dark pools. Disgusting. Disgusting. You know what's more gross than dark pools? Gary Gensler, because the SEC in general has the right, has a rule. They can suspend dark pool trading for 10 trading days on any given security at any given time, right? Right? And an impact to that is people invested in the company want that to happen, right? And we've asked before time and time again, and that's it. Gary Gensler's still on crack, so it's kind of sad. Like, they let someone who's smoking crack be in the SEC. I don't know. Like, his teeth are falling. He's on crack. I don't know. Fleming, who sets the fee? For cost to borrow, it's the fee is how risky it is. Run a poll for Asshat of the year. So the fee is how risky it is, and it's either the broker. Pretty sure it's the broker, because they're being able to borrow shares, right? And it's like you letting someone borrow something against a company, right? You letting someone go short with your money against the company, and you're going to decide how risky is this play. And usually, if utilization is at 100%, all the shares on loan are out there. So I don't know how there's even shares available to borrow every single day. Something's being washed. Something's being washed out. Now 8.1 before the 8.6. Yeah, 8.1% for the 650,000 was 8.6. Oh, let's see. Channel owner and show your comment. There we go. Set a poll for Asshat of the year. Isn't Max Payne this week 15 and next week 1450? I don't know about 1450, but it is 15 this week. As for running a poll for Asshat of the year, I have something a lot simpler. If you, let's see. I'm going to show you something. I will definitely run a poll for Asshat of the year. This is like extremely slow right now. We have like 100 tabs open, so, and OBS likes to make the computer extremely slow for some reason. If you look in the description of the video, right? If you want to know who Asshat of the year is, that we were just talking about, we already know who it is, right? If you look in the description of the video, it's going to be the first link you see that says merch shop. Let's X out this tab. We gotta just keep the tabs as low as we can. Now, it's gonna bring you to this screen, and off the rip, you go to hats. Where's Gary? Okay, what is a Where's Gary hat? Where the fuck is Gary Gensler? Where is he? Okay, I think we all know who Asshat of the year is, and just so much that we had to make two, right? Baseball caps. Where the fuck is Gary Gensler? Gary's got his thumb in his ass again. Yeah, that's that. But we can still run this poll. I gotta end this one first. Top 10 people. Come on, let me run a poll again. Man, this thing is slow right now. Who's our other nominee, though? Oh, Gary. Who's our other nominee? Why does it keep changing this? Alright, I don't know what it's spelling. The spelling's gonna be off, but I got an email. Yeah, I put it in chat, but I'll pop another one. Oh, this is gonna be a close one. Ken Griffin. Oh god. Oh god. Alright, you all got that poll in front of you. Asshat of the year. Whoever you guys want to select, I'd love to hear it. AMC already being pinned down, $15.10, getting rejected off of that level again. Algos are just fucking this thing. They have about an hour and 45 minutes left of the day, and of course, they're keeping it below 1530. Pretty sad. That's too close for comfort. This is gonna be. It's sad that we can just point it out and be like, yo, they're going to pin this. Mark makers are going to pin this under 15, max pain, yada, yada, yada. It happens, and then that's it. Nothing else we can do, right? And Gary Gensler's just sitting on his computer with his thumb in his asshole. It's like, what the fuck, dude? Come on, man. When you're done with the broadcast, I'd like to talk and help with some tech. All right, sick, dude. I'm going to send you my email. I'll put it in chat again. Damn, I wish I got another coffee. Another coffee would be where it's at. Let's see. What are we on? GameStop. 55,000 shares of Bior, 48.25% DRS shares. We're losing calls versus puts. Oh man, taking the L again. Check Twitter. What is Twitter doing? We pretty much never stream anymore. So this is been a while. Americans are canceling deals to buy homes at the highest rate since the start of the pandemic. Oh my gosh, Charles Asperino, the mother of all short squeezes, July 2022 edition. Ha ha ha. Oh man. Wells Fargo CFO says things will probably get worse economically. Trading with emotion. Macro points of interest, November, end of month 2021, March of 21. Do July end. Yeah, the end of this month, going into August, is gonna be crazy. Last time inflation was above 9%, the U.S. was 1981. Last time Fed, we're doomed. Jim Cramer will be ringing the opening bell at NYC on Monday. Oh my gosh! You're going to take a screenshot and send it to your friends or post it on social. Probably. Doesn't look like much is going on. 35 million AMC shares still to deliver in June. 35 million delivers. I'm not seeing anything crazy right now on Twitter. I was hoping for some news. Hey brother, what's up with GME today? I thought it was going to go above 150. From what I have drawn out, I didn't really think so, but so we had this laid out, and it's pretty accurately tracking inverse actually, which is pretty interesting. Oh shit! I want to clone. I want to clone here. Do I want it mirrored or do I want it flipped? This tracks the way it's tracking. Then probably gonna be extremely bearish. I don't know, man. GameStop's a bit tougher to chart. Can you repeat exactly what August 4th means? Is that Q2 earnings? I know that's when Aron supposedly will pounce. Just wondering if there's any other key on that date. Ross Wilson. Honestly, there's not. So August 4th is just, I'd say, a coincidental date because Aron, he didn't say he's going to pounce on August 4th. He said it won't be at least until Q2 earnings, right? He won't pounce before then. That doesn't mean he's going to pounce on Q2 earnings, but he did tweet out something about a black NFT, and it kind of indicated that a company is going positive. So he could either be issuing a split or some form of dividend August 4th on earnings, or just announcing positive earnings, or he could pounce on August 4th. But August 4th also lines up with a lot of things that we had drawn out, a lot of situations that we had drawn out. So in the past few videos, we're taking a look at the end of these wedges that we have laid out here. Okay, such as this. This is kind of what we're looking at. Usually towards the end of the wedge, you see this little chop period. And if you come back here to before AMC was even on our radar, you see this chop period as well. And then ultimately, let's see, we're getting to the point. We're getting to the point. I think this is the chop period, or at least somewhere in here, because we've just been sideways for like the longest time. And all of these wedges kind of match up with each other. All of these wedges kind of match up with each other. And if we're taking a look at that, right, we also did the fib time zone levels backwards to where we thought the stock would have ran, and then to the high, to the end of the wedge. So if you do that, essentially you're just taking the bars pattern and kind of making it extremely close. History doesn't always rhyme. History doesn't always repeat, but it often does rhyme. So essentially what you're looking for is some form of breakout like this. Now, if this is the case, right, I think it looked like something like this because this is going to pop between both of these trend lines and find resistance, support, and then a push again. This also lines up perfectly with right around August 4th, right around the time frame as when Aron is supposedly going to pounce. I think there's more to it. I mean, that's like a long shot. What we have drawn out is like a long shot. We're kind of just guessing at this point. But also, Aron tweeted several times. I made a YouTube short about it. At first, he tweeted, I can't quote exactly what it was, but let's see if we can find it. Oh, Citadel tweeted. Hold on a minute. Let's see this. We're going to look at that. 1 second, Ross. Split 1 to 4, August 4th. I hope he doesn't do a stock split. AMC, no dilution. Let's see. I really don't know what this pounce means. He better come strong. Yeah, he better come strong. Let's see. Okay, let's grab Aron. Oh, my back. Let's see. Try and find these tweets that we're talking about. All right, let's see here. So the latest tweet that we were looking at is, it will be packed house for watching Top Gun Maverick together at AMC Tyson's Corner 16 in the Washington, D.C. area this Thursday evening. But there are a few seats left in rows 1 to 4. Come join me for a fun time. It will be the 4th time I have seen this fabulous movie. Now, the tweet he quoted from this was, my hosting movie screenings at our theaters have been immensely popular, so there is a new one. Join me as I see Top Gun Maverick for the 4th time. What a great movie. Okay. You can just keep going with that. Let's see. Let's find. Let's see. This is the NFT that indicates, I believe, a company going cash flow positive. And then he tweeted this. I keep getting asked when pounce. Know this. 1, I always keep my word. 2, I've said publicly a pounce would not happen before second quarter 2022 earnings are announced. 3, press release issued today that Q2 earnings will be announced on Thursday, August 4th. Okay, read between those lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, August 4th. That's another thing to take a look at. And he keeps on saying it over and over again. The 4th this, the 4th that. And he also stated in earnings and tweeted Doctor Strange, Doctor Strange, Doctor Strange, Doctor Strange 4 times. Whatever he's trying to get at, people are saying, okay, August 4th, shit's going to go down, or there's going to be a 1 to 4 split, or whatever it is, right? The date is just kind of coincidental, right? So people are thinking shit's going to go down August 4th, but people are also thinking, if it's not August 4th, it's a 1 to 4. It's a 4 to 1 split, etc., etc. Let's see. Maybe he's saying that the shorts will have to cover on August 4th. I don't know. Maybe he's saying, people are saying that, oh, it's the float is shorted 4 times over. I don't know. It all depends on what we see August 4th. But what I can tell you is August 4th is like literally less than 20 days away. So we have a few weeks to see what is actually going to go down. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yes, that is it. We're waiting on August 4th. Now is like the boring time of day. Maybe we can spice things up and make a futures trade here. But look we only have $179 in the account. And you're gonna notice that margin up tough right now. So if we're trading the M2K, which is the Russell Mini, a micro E-mini Russell, this is $100 right now. So if we make a bad trade or 2 bad trades, my account could get wiped. So I don't know if I want to trade that. I would like to trade something with a little bit of volatility, but maybe like 40 a contract. What is this? Nano Bitcoin 25. We're on the CME book right now. That's what I have subscription for. Let's see. We want to do small money trades because we've been on stream and I don't want decision fatigue to pop in right now. What is LTech? Micro Super Tech Index. LTech. The day is here. The day is $50 for margin. What the fuck is this? Why is my chart like this? Okay. Okay, it's broken. Back to the Russell. Might have to just send it. Alright, maybe if I see a trade, I'll grab it on. But we have to really snipe. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Check out the 5 minute. Volatility. So the volume, got a nice volume pop with this move right here. But the volume pushed to the downside with this move. This could have been the peak. Could have been a peak for this. Cumulative delta, so this is measuring the volume that we see here. And that's ultimately what we're taking a look at. Let's see, RSI kind of cooled off. Definitely not hopping in right now. I don't know where this thing wants to go to. I would assume that it would come to base right here. I also like to pull up the trading view. M2K futures. Let's see. Will AMC come down to the $12 range in your opinion before going much higher? Now AMC read thoughts on Sundial. Okay, another person coming in with thoughts on Sundial. I'll give you the quick breakdown in a second. Real quick, do I think AMC is coming down to $12? Initially, I would say no. I thought a retracement down to 13 was what I was looking at, which would be down to this level before an initial rip. I don't think. Let's see, where's $12? $12 all the way down here. It's possible because it's not that far off, right? $12. It's definitely possible. From the things I've charted, it doesn't look likely. It also didn't happen here where we dip below the wedge. But the first move to $20, you did actually see something like this where it went significantly lower than we expected. It actually came all the way down here. So like I would have assumed this is going to base at 250 before a run up. Actually came all the way down to the lows at $1.91. You could probably see it happen. I'm going to say no. I don't think so. Just in my opinion, I'm going to say no. Because from what I have drawn out, if we were going to go to 12, we would have to do it within a day or two. We'd have to do it by honestly, by July 19th. Unless we break below this pattern, which it has done. It has done right here. This wedge has done right here. I'm just going to say no. Remember, I could be wrong, though. I'm not a financial advisor. Thoughts on Sundial? I'll give it down to you real quick. Sundial, I'm not jumping in. I think Sundial is going to run with S&P when the S&P rallies. Is going to run with GameStop, AMC, BBIG. Just another one of those small mid caps that's heavily shorted and controlled by market makers and institutions. And I think right now I would not hop in. If I was going to hop in, I'd wait for confirmation over 40 cents, right, over this resistance level. Or if you want to be even safer, I'd say over 48 cents, where this resistance is, right about here. And you can drag this out too. It has some heavy resistance right here. That's double confirmation. But overall, you're risking it coming down to retest this trend line. If it breaks under 30 cents, it's probably going to come down and test this at around 20 cents. And that's honestly at about the low of the stock almost, which it hit at 14 cents back here. So personally, I wouldn't get in yet with Sundial. If you're already in, I think you'll be fine. I think it's just a patience game like AMC and GameStop. It's probably going to run when the SPY runs. That's my thoughts, my quick thoughts on Sundial. Let me see what AMC is doing on the 1 minute here. Not looking strong, really no volume. AMC is not looking the best. Let's head back over to the futures. See what we can do. There's not much volume right now, looks like. Let's grab M2K futures. Let's see. Let's see. The last time we had a double top. Try and compare this. This is sort of a double top right here. A little uglier, yeah. Double top to a rally. You don't really see that often, right? I guess right here, kind of see it. Yeah, this is what I was expecting on the SPY too, right? Like a little mini rally, and then ultimately a break lower again. But I don't know. It's honestly a long shot here. Break lower to like this trend line again. See, I don't want to. The thing is, I can't. We only have 200 in this futures trading account, and I don't want to hold it into nighttime because the nighttime margin gets higher. It's Friday. People taking profits early? Question mark. I don't know. I think people are. It's not only is it Friday, but people are like, these S&P 500 in the market is ripping even off of bad news. So I think people are really skeptical as to what's going on. I would be too, to be honest. Like right now, I'm like, geez, what's going on? Yeah, probably people taking profits early though. Honestly, dude. Not the prettiest setup, but this is definitely bearish. Falling wedge. Waiting for that harsh break to the downside. We're only on the 3 hour. Yeah, this is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Guys, I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. But we'll put you on the charts right now. But do I use the 1348 real quick to answer your question? Honestly, I don't know. I tried it before, the 1348, and I've seen that it does work, but I don't know. There's always a strategy that works for some people and doesn't, and I personally, I don't know. I just didn't find it. I didn't find it to work for me. I tried it on the SPY on the 5 minute. I wouldn't say it works or doesn't work. I would just say I haven't experienced enough with it. Safety meeting. Power hour bounce incoming, not financial advice. All right, guys, I'll be right back in 1 second. Put you on the charts real quick. Alright guys, we are back. Thank you for whoever stayed in chat, stayed on. Let me make sure this fan volume isn't getting in the way. Okay, we're good. Just checking. It's extremely hot in here. Fan on me. Alright guys, power hour incoming. Time to charge the bad boy. Make a little montage. Maybe if I could edit in live time. Just pay some savage ass editor to edit me while I do whatever. That'd be sick. Good invention. Honestly, a good invention. Can everybody hear me in the chat? Hopefully everybody can hear me go. We are all set. Plug in the charger real quick. Alright. Good to go. Good to get cracking. If you like OBS for streaming, ever try Mimo Live? Sounds familiar. I don't think so. I think I've tried Ecamm or something. Ecamm, but I got like, I don't know. OBS is pretty good though. OBS is not bad. As long as it doesn't freeze up, it's pretty decent. I'm so relieved. Like, I had so many drawings up here on the SPY, on AMC, and I just deleted them, and it just felt so comfortable to be able to just rechart everything after everything gets a mess, you know? You guys know the feeling? Maybe that's why I'm so stuck on GameStop. Like, it's so hard to figure out where it's going and so hard to chart. Let's just drop them off. Like, this is such a weird chart. Like, usually you see a stock like this and it's like, the charts that look like this are usually really choppy and pushed down by short sellers, like Sundial, for example. Like, just shredded. Just absolutely shredded. Mullen. Shredded. Then you take GameStop, one of these choppy-ass charts. We're just sideways. Like, they can't do anything. We're just sideways. I think it's so savage. Really so savage. Yeah, let's see if we can find anything. The time zone. Peak to peak. Will this line up? Peak to peak over. This kind of lines up with what I was saying. July 21st rip. July 19th to July 21st. Kind of lines up really close. I want to look for more spice than that. I want to look for something bigger than that. See, overall, dude, they literally play extremely similar in these cycles. Like, whether it's a little off or not, it's like so interesting. Look at this, dude. Look at this. So interesting. And this one's all over the fucking place. Some of them. Some of them are inverse, though, folks. And you can see it right now. Some parts play inverse. I mean, like I said, rip or just a major move when the next cycle plays out. And it's either going to look something like this or it's going to start off looking something like this. Right? Move up. Either way, we're going to find out. I think a break over that 200 is going to look spicy. Where do you think Sundial can run to? 10? I'm sorry I'm seeing this now. Pinch me. Don't pinch me. Oh man, can Sundial run to 10? $10 for Sundial. Well, let's take a look. Last time. Oh God. Dude, I don't know. You're asking for. Okay. And Sundial run 3,364%. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it can. I guess so. Why not? What was that stock, dude? What was that stock? It was like a few days ago. GameStop owns the company. It's an over-the-counter stock. It ran 50,000% in a day. I don't even know how that's possible. Can't think of the company. I love hedgies. It's gonna copy March Rip. What? Sundial? Sundial, as far as pot plays, just food for thought. Oregon has 1.1 million pound surplus weeds cheap. Everyone's interested in Sundial. Is this because like I want to know? Are you guys in Sundial because you like the company, or did Lou put you on Sundial? I want to know. I want to know. Are you in Sundial because of Lou? Just want to know. Simple yes or no. Feel free to not answer, but let's go back to GameStop because I was getting interested in finding some things out right here with GameStop. Okay, let's grab the, let's see if the time zone backwards. Let's see if we can find anything backwards here. Looking sweet. Let's see, we set it up. Uh, GameStop's one of a kind, dude. GameStop is one of a kind. It likes to see this slow grind up before a move. See if we can find something similar. Not seeing it yet. And this isn't looking that bad. But still not up to par with what we want to see. GameStop gets this pop before the split. That could look good. That could be a good setup. I'm not in Sundial. Tell me the squeeze happens in 2022. Tim Tuna, you want me to tell you that, dude? Not financial advice. Squeeze happens in 2022. GMRSF, dude. We've been on live for like I don't even know how long. Please don't send me abbreviations. Oh wait, is that a stock? Is that an OTC stock? You're sending me 5. I don't know. My brain is mush right now, Droops. You're gonna have to like really elaborate. Oh, GME Resources. No, this isn't the company I was talking about. If this is what you're thinking of, what the fuck is this though? GME Resources. I have no idea what this is. I'll tell you right now. You know what? Let's just see. Let's just see if it pops up. Over-the-counter stock, GameStop purchased. Maybe we'll pop it up. I think it starts with a G. 50,000% gain. Not popping up here. Yeah, this one was really swept under the rug the other day, a few weeks ago. I know it's in one of my videos. I could look in the video, but this OBS is making the computer so slow that I don't even want to. What companies do GameStop own? Vanguard Group is the largest shareholder. I don't know about that. October 25th, 2021. Why can't I find this dude? This was really swept under this brainstorm. I might be able to see G. Let's see. Was it GM? Gosh, my brain is not working. Let's see what RKT is doing. Rocket. This isn't the stock I'm talking about, but I just want to check this out. Up 6%. This is interesting. Maybe I've found a temporary bottom on Rocket Company. Remember, this was flying when GameStop, I believe, was. Yes, I think it's the one that ran 50K. No, GMRSF isn't it? No. No, because there was more chart than this. More volume. This is weird. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting. Looks like this is going for another push here. What do you guys think? Should I take a trade on futures? I don't know if I want to. Probably not the best idea today. Probably wait for some sort of catalyst. SPY is getting another move though. I really want to find out this company. Pissing me off. Starting to think the U.S. stock market is really corrupt. Yes, it is. Let's see. AMC just registered its largest failure to deliver in the history of the stock. Expensive gasoline is keeping more U.S. drivers off the road. All I'm seeing is negative stuff across the social media. Negative, negative, negative. Dude, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? It was like bomb preparation. Literally New York City bomb preparation. Let's see. Hang on, guys. I'm getting a phone call real quick. All right, guys, we're good. We are good to go. Alright guys, let's see what the failure to delivers are looking like on AMC. Let's see. Channel owner, I'll need your help selling merch when you have time. What do you mean? What do you mean you'll need my help selling merch? Internet, what's up? You're still. I thought you guys left me, honestly. I thought you guys left me. We kind of went over everything, honestly, so I'm just like, now I'm just nitpicking at things. We take a look, let's see, failure to deliver data on AMC, May 20. Oh, how come isn't it? I want to see further back, buddy. How come it's not showing me further back? Let's see. New to that. Channel owner, what do you mean though? You need help selling your own merch? You want me to help you sell your merch? I'm just confused, that's all. A little lost. Yeah. Huge spike in failure to delivers. 550. Should show it more. Take a look at them stacking up from this run up to. How come this is like this? This is bothering me. Drop shipping, all that stuff, or at least show me the ways of the force. What are you talking about? I'm so confused, dude. Literally so confused. Dude, I am hungry. Failed to deliver. Oh yeah, fails to deliver right now are loading up right now. They are starting to pick up. They are starting to pick up. That's a good thing. Hit that like button. Thank you, Tim. Tim. It's maybe we can talk after the stream. No worries. Lunchtime. Leroy, how's work going? Leroy, what do you? I think you told me what you do for work. I might have forgot. You know what you do? Going to talk about what you want. All right, what I want from Taco Bell. Grab me some nacho fries, and dude, you know it's actually decent. Like, I don't know. I don't like work in the wine industry. Nasty. Taco Bell is like, ooh, like once probably every like few months I'll eat Taco Bell, and they put a new thing on the menu. Shipping and receiving, nice, bro. They put a new thing on the menu that's actually decent. It's on like the dollar menu. I think it's like something spicy chipotle chicken, something like that. But dude, it's actually good. LO, we call them Ain't Joe fries. Ain't Joe fries, boy. Grab me one of those. Let's see. Channel owner. Yeah, I don't know. I'll definitely talk to you about whatever. Probably through email or whatever you want to do. As for drop shipping, I want to make a video. Because I've tried drop shipping before, and I think it'd be interesting to share how it went. I also have another video for you guys, so make sure I have post notifications on. I'm gonna get working on it. If you haven't seen that Wall Street video, dude, you guys should see that. But it is members only right now. I have a video that I want to make. I bought a helium miner, and it took a long time to come in. I waited like 20 something weeks. Helium HNT coin. I bought one of those, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. I want to make a video on it, and you guys will see it soon. But this is helium. I believe this is helium at 888 a coin. Used to be 50. So this thing has been dropping significantly with all the other cryptos. It's holding its last limb of support, honestly. I'm really hoping this thing can pick up sometime. Hopefully now. But if this gets rejected and keeps selling off, this thing is not going to look good. So yeah, not saying anything is exciting about it, but I do want to make a video about that. Alright, let's clear everything because fuck it. Clear everything again. I always clear my drawings on AMC and start with a fresh slate. Although I think that last one that I had set up kind of has a lot of things that have potential to it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take out a lot of bullshit. A lot of bullshit here, and we're gonna figure out something else. We'll figure out time frames and everything. Okay, let's get this out of here. Let's get this out of here. Jeff, I will remember 1540 or whatever the fuck, something around that range. I know you said it, 1549, I believe. If Jeff is even in here still. 1549, Jeff's closing price. I wanted my secondary trend line still laid out there. Alright. Take a look at this. Let's actually check out the weekly. I feel like I never hop over to the weekly on AMC. Weekly. This is interesting. Gosh, that would take a long time. Oh, Cantina Chipotle Chicken Taco, is that it? Fire would be cool. I'm here. Oh, Jeff's here. Hey, you know Tupac's still alive? Bro, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? So AMC is above the EMA right now. Just trying to think from like a basic standpoint. So tough. So tough. Points of control. The gain of control to loss of control. Gain of control to loss of control to gain of control. Right here. Still currently have control, which is upsetting at the least. Boom. Number 27. Look, let's see, Monte looks good too. Look up Tupac first and look at his teeth, the bottom row, crooked as hell. Now look up Kai, the MC, that's him. The last over-the-counter stock that ran 50,000% once in a day. Yeah, Droobs, if you find out the name, Leroy, I'm going to look that up in a second, but right now I'm kind of looking at something here. September 27th to the week of about November 2nd. Which is my birthday. Let's see. 9th. Time frame of chop. Call it time frame of chop. Whoa. This is interesting. At the least. This is extremely interesting. Okay. So, I don't really come on the weekly often. Actually, barely ever I come on the weekly. This big red candle here, I'd like to call a gain of control for market makers, right? And as soon as this green bar hits right here out of the pennant, I would say this is a loss of control. Again, gain of control at this red bar to where we got dropped. And instead, this pennant that we thought was going to be a breakout to the upside, right? Everybody thought it was going to be. We had another, instead of loss of control, an over leveraged gain of control. We dropped again. With that being said, we copied the bars pattern from the gain of control all the way up until the loss, right before the loss. Pasted it from the gain of control up until about here, which would have been the length of this one. And then we'll call this the chop period, which looks extremely similar to this setup right here. Let's see. See, we're looking at this and comparing it to this, okay? The chop period. Now, August 4th coming up, I think this month, late July, early August is gonna really make it or break it. Is AMC a fucking scam? Are we going to nothing, or are we getting the rip? We're in this chop section, and if this is correct, right? We always find some new shit when we chart. I swear. If this is correct, we're on the last week of chop, right? The week of July 11th. We are on the last week. Now, normally what we see is either this, okay, we either see a big move like this, or we see another loss of control. So this is going to be make it or break it, in my opinion. Either a large spike to the upside, right? Not necessarily followed by this. That's just if we're going through another cycle. But this is interesting to see because I think AMC's at a spot where no one knows what to do. Like, it can't be suppressed anymore. Can't buy anymore. It's just flat. It's just like, what's the next step? Are we gonna run? Oh God, what do you guys think of this? Don't have to do it right now, but do it when you have the time. It's him, bro. Does AMC have to stay above 15? It doesn't have to, but that is max pain. Let's see. Channel owner. AMC MACD Golden Cross on the 30-minute. If I'm reading it right. I'm a beginner. No, you probably are. You're probably right, man. Because I know the 1348 crossed on the daily, I think, or the 4-hour the other day. GME went above 140. My trigger alert. Hey, bro, do you think the number 4 from Aron was the 4th test of a level? I actually didn't think about that, but we did go over what it could be. We thought about a bunch of things on that. That's actually interesting because 4 tests of a level. Let's go over to the 2-hour time frame. Usually, right, AMC does 4 tests before a breakout. It's just extremely common. Extremely common. But I didn't think of that. I mean, every single speculation on what it means is a long shot. But what level would be talking about? Would that be like I don't know. Let's see. Antonette's going crazy about GameStop. I gotta see what's going on, and then we're gonna go back to that. Whoa, 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 whoa! Up 4%. Okay, 3:10. 10 minutes into Power Hour. GameStop's getting a rip. Look at the volume. Volume's picking up right here. Oh shit. Okay, GameStop. Do you think, Jimmy? Do you think, Jimmy? I gotta see it break this resistance right here. Hang on, let's see. Let's fix this. Fix this a bit. Not the prettiest. It'll do though. Let's see what GameStop does. Let's see how it reacts. Oh boy. Oh boy. What are we doing? What are we doing? AMC following suit. Let's see. AMC? Not really. AMC wants to pop with GameStop, but the volume's not there. AMC wants to pop, but the volume is not there. Hold on a minute. Let's go back to... Oh, boy, GameStop. Let's see. Come on, baby. Oh, boy. This is beautiful. You know what? Oh, shit. If we're running end of day and after hours tonight, they're afraid of the split. Because this is being initiated in the books July 18th, and it'll be in effect July 21st. So Monday, I believe, is July 18th. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, July 18th. Some shorts are probably scared of this split. GME calls printing. Yo, let's fucking go. Okay, so it's getting rejected at this level. Whether it's shorts covering or not, they're not ready for this thing to move. Let's check out. Okay, nothing really changed over here. Let's see, Twitter sphere. What are you saying over here? Let's see. Show 35 tweets. This is interesting. This is interesting. Dude, I wanted... See, this is what I'm saying. I wanted something to happen on stream. What's with the pop, GameStop? What's with the pop? Might be right about after hours. Yeah, we'll see. GameStop might run after hours here. Oh. We didn't end this poll. Ah, fuck. It's taking forever. I'm just Xing that out. Hopefully we're still on stream. I think we're still on stream. I think we're good. I have to reload this. 150 would be nice today. 150 would be dirty. If GameStop breaks the levels we just drew out, oh god, dude, Leroy, bro, you're making me want to talk about tonight, and I think that's a bad thing. I really do. I don't know why you had to do that to me. Who won? 26 votes. Who won? Oh, I'm gonna end the poll right now. You're gonna see who won. And we're hopping back over to GameStop. Guys, you gotta keep me updated while we're on other tabs because this computer's slow as shit. Let's see. How come this is... You guys are literally seeing behind the scenes right now. I can't figure out how to get into this. Ah, there we go. View in live control room. That's what I wanted. All right. Yes, sir. Drop some apes. All right. All I wanted to do was literally just let me do my thing so I can go back to the chart. I want to see what Jimmy's doing. All right, end poll. Asshat of the year goes to Gary Cockguzzler Gensler. Dude, who would have thought? Who would have thought? You guzzle that many cocks. Oh, man. That's interesting because you guzzle cocks, but you won Asshat of the year. I don't know how that works, but you got it, dude. Let's change the title. What do you guys think the title should be? I'm going to put GME Flying. GME Flying. AMC GME Market Watch. Okay, and then let's add a gorilla in here. Let's add an ape. LOL, it's fire. You talk about it's fire? Damn. Sounds good, bro. It sounds good. Alright, GameStop. Alright, GameStop. The volume is fading, but a little cool off is always healthy. Let's see. It's only up 2%. Where do they want to pin this at? They want to pin it under 140. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That was fucking stupid, bro. They want this under 140 so bad. They bring it right back down. Jeez. GameStop likes to pop. Yeah, and they're pressing this down. Pressing this down. Oh my gosh. You guys remember yesterday? This was some wonky shit. We'll bring you over to the 2-minute time frame. Weeble is so bad, I'm sorry. They dropped GameStop. Sick, dude, sick. Yeah, shift me wherever you want. They dropped GameStop from $147 to $136. Almost an $11 drop yesterday in the matter of 5 minutes. Okay, Weeble, fuck off your ass. Okay, Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Piss me off. I peed in Kenny's pool, bro. I just looked at your name. That is hilarious. All right. GameStop. What are we doing here, bad boy? Show me some moves. Show me what you want to do. What's the IWM doing? The Russell 2000 ETF. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to touch ETFs right now. SPY the Russell. Look how scary this is. How scary. It's so scary to trade right now. I don't know, man. No one can really tell where these things are going. GameStop, what are we doing? Trading View? Yep. Trading View it is. But we're on. Let's see. You know what's actually interesting? GameStop's entire So you know what? Yeah, this entire move like looks so similar to like each one of the little cycles. So weird. And some shit you just can't make. Really, dude. Really, dude. Does GME have ability to deliver like AMC? Let's see. You could always look on Stock Tracker, but let's see here. Sure. Yeah, right now actually they're racking up pretty hard. Yeah, they're racking up pretty substantial here. Interesting. Yeah, GameStop and AMC. Twitter. Is anyone talking about GameStop's move? Let's see. Show 35 tweets. There we go. Perfect. Hedgie's popping stress pills like candy. Yeah, they can barely afford them, dude. Let's see. I like this. Market Hustle says it's sad to see people dismiss someone else's accomplishments and attribute it all to luck. Yes, luck is always a factor in life. The fact that you were born is luck. But lucky is only attractive to people who take more chances. The more chances you take, the luckier you get. Yeah, anybody who says you're lucky, even though you know you put in work to get somewhere, they're just upset that they're lazy and they can't put in the work that you put in. That's all it is. But luck is definitely a factor, but like they said, they just stated it perfect. Damn, just seeing this right now, this rocket Tesla. You guys ever play Black Ops 1 on that radiation map? Dude, this just gave me like crazy nostalgia just scrolling through. Let's see. AMC and GME have now been 100% utilization for 100 days, yet they will say they are in no way correlated. Gasparino and other will call out CEO Adam Aron for a mysterious tweet, but will completely avoid the fact that hedge funds manipulate two stocks daily makes no sense. Oh yeah, they manipulate more than that. I peed in Kenny's pool says, ape? Oh, God. We'll leave it at that. I'm so broke, I'm still using a PS2. Bro, that's cap for one. Those barely work. That's cap. And for two, don't disrespect the PlayStation 2 like that. PlayStation 2 is where it's at, bro. You got Guitar Hero, you got Celebrity Deathmatch, you got 007 Nightfire. You can't disrespect the PlayStation 2. Gosh, you can't disrespect it like that. Let's say midway through Friday, AMC is holding strong despite dipping early. If AMC can hold above 14, good. 15, great. 16, yikes. Shorts will be watching closely. Check us out. All right. Let's see. Fed Bullard. It doesn't make too much difference to do 100% basis point or 75 basis point at July meeting. Yeah, it seems like they're going to do a full percent in the July meeting, and that's not going to be good for the market. But I don't know. All right, let's go back to the charts. I want to see if GameStop's still moving. Man, Weeble is so ass. We'll trade for a PS5. That won't happen. But listen, there's still, PlayStation 2 is still lit. We're gonna give you that one. I didn't link it yet. Let's see, I didn't link it yet. I'm gonna link it in chat in case anybody wants to. Feel free to do this. Up to 10 free stocks just for signing up, depositing $1 or whatever. Honestly, any amount. You guys can do that if you want to. Don't feel pressured at all. I had my family do it. Free money, free stocks. Why not? Also, the platform is actually pretty cool because you get usually when you sign up for a platform like Webull, you have to pay for level 2 or you have to. I don't know if you have to pay for options, but certain levels you have to pay for. Moomoo, you get access to everything. You get also access to other exchanges, so you can see what other exchanges are opening, like the Hong Kong one, for example. You can see correlate it to see how the U.S. market will open, stuff like that. And also checked out all the cryptos. You can go short on that platform, even if you're not big, right? You can use trade with margin on there. They don't have cash accounts, but you don't have to use margin backing up your every trades. Someone in Discord called out ROI earlier as nasty dividend yield. Am I looking at the right stock? This is not it. It's because Webull is fucking cheats. Was it route? Nope. Okay. We'll just give up on it. I don't know if you know what you're doing. I was about to say, cool, frozen laptop. Frozen laptops are where it's at. GameStop, I want this volume to pick back up. Volume only got this push for a little while. It looks like people are thinking GameStop's a buy at 136. Moomoo doesn't use payment for order flow. Really? Are you telling me or asking me? I'm actually sponsored by them, but I asked one of them about that, and they said they would love to go over with me about everything like that because they know my viewers enjoy AMC, and they also are going to eventually let me do a promotion where people get free AMC stock because they're just lit like that. That's what I'm waiting on, but I don't know. Did you find that out, or are you just asking? Love to see what GameStop's plan is for this. One downfall. Either be this. GME pump fake. Think so? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. GME pump fake. Oh, yeah. See, this push higher, you can tell is a fake push right here because the volume doesn't pick up with it. So this is more likely going to fall to the downside. This doesn't look like it's going to base and fly again just because the volume is telling. Oh, okay. It's been proven they don't. CSI verified. Oh, damn. Saw another YouTuber advertising rumor. They said it. You can turn off share lending on Webull. I know there is a way. Yeah, but share lending isn't necessarily payment for order flow. Share lending is just letting short sellers use your shares, which is ultimately hurting the positions you're in, depending on what they, Payment for order flow is, the platform's free, so essentially how Webull or Robinhood would make money is a market maker like Virtu or Citadel would pay them to be able to route their customers' orders and get best execution, which is fine because Webull makes money off it. They don't really care. People are satisfied because their orders execute quick. And Citadel can route them to dark pools or wherever the fuck they want. Let's see. Turn off share lending on Webull, which is pretty fucked up because market makers pretty much have a lot to do with derivatives and the options chain. So with that being said, they kind of just control where the price moves and how much they make off of derivatives, which is probably why you're going to see them try and pin AMC under 15 bucks today. We got about 30 minutes left. I feel like this chart is lagging behind. Yeah, there we go. Okay, AMC, 25 cents away above max pain, so this is good. And it has support there, but it could come down to this very quickly. Kind of getting a headache right now. I didn't eat today. Can't wait to get some food after this. Leroy really got me thinking about Taco Bell, and I don't want to be doing that. Let's see, horizontal ray. I want to bring us to, let's bring us to the 15-minute chart. 1475, we got support. Right at 15 bucks, we got support as well. Realistically, we should stay above 1513. Next level is about 1490 for heavy support. Right, 1488, 1490. Hopefully we stay above 1513 or 1515, right? What we're looking for here. You can tell they're waiting to pin the price because there's not really heavy resistance where we're at. More so the resistance is around, I'd say 1530 if anything. And we're kind of just creating some new resistance. Nah, actually we're kind of seeing it there. Yeah, we are seeing it there. Around 1530. No jinx, yeah, I know. Knock on wood for you. Oh gosh. Here we go. Really crazy. I want to go get lunch because I'm starting to feel like almost sick, but it's really hot in here. Well, I don't want to miss if GameStop runs though. That's the thing. Guys, we might close this out. Probably gonna go get lunch or something. I think my body needs some food. I don't know about that whole Taco Bell thing. I don't know about the nutrients from Taco Bell. I don't know how good that's gonna help me out. Maybe get some Subway. I got coupon Subway. Yes. Let's see. Let's check Twitter real quick. Knock GME. Fed's daily. U.S. economy is strong. My ass. I want to check on BBIG one more time. Thinking this is the last breath before the close. Ooh, BBIG harshly barcoding. That is so gross. Here we go. Market makers got about 25 minutes to push the price about 25 cents. Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh, man. Piss me off. Better not. Better not do it. Yeah, GameStop's volume is fading. Not looking too good. GameStop's been doing that lately. Volume in the open, curl almost like a cup. Volume at close. And it does that. Did flat. Algos is what I can tell you on GameStop here. GameStop looks like it's getting ready for a hard shoot to the downside. Did you watch Trading with Emotions video yesterday about cycle pattern? We're close to the amount of volume the market makers have to have used by the end of the cycle. So I posted a video yesterday, and then someone commented, "LOL, you watched Trading with Emotions video," and I actually didn't, but then I watched it after that, and I did see that was really interesting as to what he was talking about. Let me mute this. Look, I'm getting an ad on my own video. Check SPY. Ooh, I gotta check SPY. Hang on. It was me. Oh, it was you? Oh, that's fucking hilarious. That was you. So I made this video, and then I didn't post it for a couple hours just because I posted one at 4:45 Eastern Standard, so I didn't want this posted for at least like another hour and a half. Hour and a half. And this video was really interesting, in my opinion, at least, from what I have drawn out. And then I watched Trading with Emotions video, and I realized we're kind of like slightly on the same thought process, same pattern, as to some shit is going to go down with AMC in the real near future. Oh, GameStop is slowly getting a pop again. The SPY. Check SPY. I'm looking at SPY. I'm not really seeing anything go down with the S&P 500. Do you want me to... Not sleeping. Yep. Let's see. Channel owner. What did you want me to do with SPY? Did you want me to like check out SPY? SPY's not really doing crazy. SPY's not going crazy right now. Kind of hanging sideways here. So the SPY had this bounce. Didn't really get to cool off. A bounce again. If you don't see a retracement soon, I'll be surprised, right? To about 378. If you don't see that soon, I will honestly be surprised. If the SPY continues to rally right off the rip, it's probably going to come up to 390. That's the next spot I would be looking at. And again, if you don't have a correction down to 384-ish, and instead you just rip from here again, this is probably the end of the bear market. But overall, I wouldn't call it the end until at least the break over probably 404 again. Waiting for the SPY to break back over 404. I think that's a comfortable spot. But even then, I still wouldn't call it. A rally. I'd say if the SPY clears back over 420, it's looking good, but it's got a long way to go from there. Nothing special. 23 minutes before license, still above 15. Oh yeah, 23 minutes before close, still above 15. Yeah, I'm waiting, dude. I'm waiting. 14.99 end of day. Oh, dude. Don't even jinx that, bro. $14.99. Better not happen. Better not happen. Gosh. Should I stay till close or should I go get lunch? I don't know. My guess AMC is going to be a battle for 15.25 end of day. It's sitting here. Nope, 15.01. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. Seeing support right here. $15. Battle for 15.01, 8.01. Let's connect the dots. Oh man. What are all these lines that we have drawn? You do that? Oh, we did that on the smaller time frame, didn't we? Come on, delete. Get off my chart. Should have just deleted all drawings. Alright. Let's see. We're just kind of blowing time away now. We did a bunch of crazy charting shit, but now we're going to go from, we can get to 8.01, which I don't know if we can on a daily. Damn. We'll go 8.03. 8.03 to the battle of 15.01. Wow, that is interesting. It's a random connection. Random connections, and you see this support line almost acted as support right here. Support, right? Broke through support, acting as resistance, resistance. 3 touches. This is the 4th touch and a break. If we base at 15, we could get a move. It's actually pretty interesting. Every time, it's almost like every time you draw something up, no matter what, you can pretty much figure out. I bet 10 push-ups. Oh god, dude, I would do 10 push-ups for you, but like, I need food. I'm gonna cry. Lots of people saying they're buying at 10 still. I peed in Kenny's pool. What are you talking about? It's so funny to say. It's like, I feel like I keep saying I peed in Kenny's pool, but I'm just talking to you. 10 until close. Oh, okay. Hopefully hold the price up. Kind of just waiting right now. Really just a waiting game. What's the volume looking like today? So yesterday we had 35. We're looking at 22. Terrible volume today. Terrible volume. But we did have a hammer candle. Okay. Terrible volume with a hammer candle isn't always the worst thing you could see. Okay. Let me explain why. The last time we had anything close to 22 million volume was right here. Little red hammer candle. Looks pretty similar, doesn't it? 25 million. Just shows me next week is either going to be a big move up or a big move down. This is looking like a big move up. Okay, it is because we had 1, 2, 3 touches, a breakout, and it's coming down to base on these touches. It's not the most beautiful setup, but again, fading volume isn't always a bad thing. We take a look at the run up before $20. So we can see 162, 256, 181, and then boom, this little hammer candle back down to 60 million in volume. So almost 200 million every day in volume, or a little over, and then bang, a hammer candle, 60 million dropped. All the volume dropped off. And what'd you see after this? You saw the fucking explosion of death. What you saw. So, you know, it is potential. Everything has potential. You don't always want to call a lack of volume a bad thing. Okay, this could just be a spring. Remember, we're just going to be a little biased here, but this could be a spring. So we'll see what happens. Let's see. Yeah, Get a juicier carrots and celery. Get a juice, carrots, and celery. Dude, that sounds extremely healthy. Probably a little too healthy for me. I love my junk food, dude, but I do need some nutrients, so that might be a good idea. Great breakfast. 10 minutes until close, peeps are saying they're buying. Ha ha ha. Dude, you know what I like to cook up? Favorite meal to cook up? Lemon pepper chicken with some red peppers and then just some mac and cheese and carrots. It's just like simple meal. It's always amazing every time. Why is AMC just sitting here? If you want to close here, Amy, that's fine. Just do it. Okay, don't tease me. GameStop, come on. Okay, volumes tried to pick up here, but it just got turned down. I think this is equal level buyers and sellers, or just market makers fighting buyers because it's at 140. We want it to close above 140. This is interesting. They're probably going to win on GameStop, but realistically, we don't give a fuck because cost of borrow on GameStop is literally sticking a rusty pipe in their ass. So they can pin this all they want. Either way, you have more calls expiring in the money than puts, even if we pinned under 140 bucks. GameStop already got a win. Check. Whatever. They want to pin it, they can pin it. AMC, on the other hand, it's 15:22. They have about 15 minutes left, and this is getting interesting. Getting interesting at the least to say if they want to. So we had one, we'll call this 2, 3, and then the fourth touch at around 15:25, 15:30. See if we can break this level here. I'd say at about 15:25. So we'll call this the fourth touch. If we break this on the day, they're not pinning this under. Not pinning this under. If AMC decides right now that it wants to get a little bit of a breakout rather than a little bit of a sell-off, they're not going to pin it under. But there's really no volume. There's really no volume right now in AMC. It might be easier for them to pin this AMC 15:32-ish for close. We'll see. We'll see. Again, I think people are really scared of that Monday split, that 4-to-1 split on GameStop. July 18th, you'll see it. July 21st. So Wednesday, Thursday-ish. Let's see. My 8-ball says so. Oh, can you ask your 8-ball if I'll have lunch by 4:30? Can you ask the 8-ball that, please? Because I'd love that. Let me know what it says. Tell me what I want to hear, please. Tell me what I want. Don't bullshit me. All right, let's check. Buy some at 10 till close. Lots of peeps are buying. Not financial advice. See what happens with it. Ultimately, people can buy however much they want. They'll just grab your orders and route them to dark pools or hold off the buy orders for next week until the algos wants to put it in and out. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Is it getting a pop? It says ask again in an hour. Dude. You dick. You're a dickhead. Oh my gosh. Be stuff in my face. I won't be able to ask again. That'd be. You know when like you get, I don't know if you guys feel this, but you get like really, really hungry and then you just wait so long after being so hungry that you're like not hungry. So weird. So weird. I don't know if anyone else gets it, but how the future's doing. We didn't want to hop in a trade because this is exactly why. Look at how sideways and choppy this is. It's disgusting. Would not want to hop into that. But also, this wanted to go for a new high, right? And the volume didn't really come up with it as much as I wanted it to. I mean, it's not bad, but this to me looks like it's probably going to fall. Back down to here, 173620. Micro E Mini Russell 2000. AMC, do your thing, baby. 12 minutes. "12 minutes, Amy. 12 minutes. I remember where I had this set up, to be honest. Should have kept it because I. Damn, I had them all set up. I think it's too far back to actually. I don't remember how I had it set up. I had it set up looking nice before. And I don't think that's it. See how this bad boy plays out. Damn, Algo's AMC looking like a death cross. Oh, shit. Honestly, I think we got it. They only have 10 minutes to push it 24 cents. Yeah, I think we're good, to be honest. I think AMC caught the dub here, but I wouldn't speak too soon. Dude, the algos are disgusting on AMC. If we bring this over to the 5 minute, so gross. Take a look at how this thing trades. Literally just, bet you we could just picture it right now. Market open, market close. Let's mirror this, so we'll have it flipped. Oh, gee, that doesn't look close at all. I mean, what are you talking about? I mean, what are you talking about? Oh, wait. Let's flip it back. Sorry, let's flip it back. Whoa, what? What are you talking about? What are you even saying to me? It doesn't. Not even similar, dude. Oh my gosh, so disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Algos, bro. Whoa, what the fuck is that? I mean, dude. Ah. Yeah, I mean, short term, AMC has to break this about 15:30. Really want that to happen. We're rocking with, baby. Rocking with. Let's see, 8 minutes left of power hour. AMC's sitting around 15:25. This is boring. This is boring. See anything going on here? Bank runs in China. JP Morgan said high inflation when confidence uncertainty. Whole year of this shit. Yep. Yep. Yeah, the failure to deliver on AMC are stacking up. Stacking up like crazy. Oh my gosh. They're just kicking the can down the road, dude. Kicking the can down the road until it just gets steeper, steeper, steeper. Until they can't kick the can up a fucking 90-degree hill. That's really all it is. They can fail to deliver all they want. I'm going to call this a win in my book. I'm not going to jinx anything, but Jeff says volume. On what? There's barely any volume on AMC right now. Cheeks for volume. Let's check GameStop. Cheeks for volume's kind of picking up. Kind of picking up on GameStop. It wants to move up, but they are holding this thing down hard. You can tell. They are holding GameStop down. Oh, Poppy. Poppy seed bagel, baby. Oh, shit. Okay. AMC's looking for the breakout out of nowhere, out of this this line that we drew up here. So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, about 4. This is the 5th. Oh yeah, baby. Give me something. Give me something. A good close for Amy. AMC if it had volume. Yeah, well, it's slight right now. I'm not gonna call this like shorts covering or anything crazy. Just algos, to be fair, but they're not getting this. They're not winning Max Payne. It's AMC won today. AMC 1535, baby. Congrats. Maybe you were right. Everyone buying 10 minutes before close. Come on, baby. See what you can do. GameStop? Okay. Is it going to be a win for GameStop too? We want this thing over 140. Okay. Let's go. Take a piss in Kenny's pool. You know, all you see is like 10 more people hop in. They're like, what the fuck is going on with AMC? I literally just saw like chat jump by 9 people. Yo, let's go. A win for AMC today. Max Payne was 15. We're at 1535. Got a little pop end of day. Not crazy volume, but a little bit of volume. Let's see. I was close. You were close. Jeff said 1549. Okay, if we get a disgusting rip right now, might be there. AMC's struggling here. There's no volume right here. No volume. We want the volume to kick in. If AMC had volume, oh baby, look at the volume candle on GameStop. Another one of these. Another one of these. They have about 2 minutes to push GameStop under 140. It's currently at 140, 155. AMC, they got about 2 minutes to push it under 15 bucks. It's currently at 15.35. Beautiful. Beautiful. We got a dub on AMC. We got a dub on GameStop. And for what we have drawn out, AMC is looking for a break of this line. Oh, baby, it's looking for a break. Let's zoom out to the 45-minute time frame. See where AMC wants to go. Not calling it a breakout yet, but if AMC has a clean break over 16 bucks, that's dirty. That's really dirty. That's really dirty. Let's see. And tonight's video is going to be nasty if we get that. Ultimately, $17 is the prime zone that I would like to break over, but I think we're a little early for that. AMC's been getting these leg ups right now, leg ups just like GameStop. So this is nasty. I don't know why my chart just did that. Come up, we calm down, we come up, base, and we're going for another rip, baby, another rip. Let's go. We're gonna fight. Next week is the fight for 17 bucks. AMC took it today for the win. AMC's getting a breakout, baby. Getting a breakout. Is volume gonna push up here? 1538. 1538. Volume slowly increasing on AMC. They're not pinning these. Market makers lose. Market makers lose this week. Let's see. Yeah, I'd like to break 3150, bastards. All right, 1538. Yeah, breakout at a time, dude. That's how it is. That's how we got to do it. One breakout at a time, baby. One breakout at a time. We'll refresh this in a minute when the market closes. But let's see. Let's get in this breakout right now. It's going to fight right here at 1540 up to 1545. It's going to have a fight. Doesn't matter, though. Doesn't matter. We took max pain, and we're happy with it. Whoa, baby. What's going on here? Market's closed, baby. Market is closed. AMC, GameStop both won max pain. I believe GameStop did. We wanted it over 140. We got 141. We wanted AMC over 15. We got 1538. Why is everybody celebrating? It's at only $15. It's at $15. Well, it's because we just got a solid, let's see, we just got a solid 67,000 calls expiring in the money. That's going to translate over to next week, depending on, how people do that with those calls, if they want shares or whatever. It's going to cause the gamma to continue to roll. We did win max pain. We also caused the most pain for market makers. That's what max pain means. And we did it. They couldn't pin the price. GameStop's cost to borrow fee is up the ass. I would not want to borrow against GameStop. GameStop won double the option chain, 16,000 calls versus 9,000 puts in the money. Bada boom, bada bang. It is what it is. Short exempts still stacking up since the 6th. Failure to deliver is reaching all-time highs. Shorts are not ready for AMC or GameStop to do its thing. They're shitting bricks right now. Aron, we're waiting on you, buddy, August 4th, because the SEC doesn't do anything. Gary Gensler has his thumb in his butt. But we did win the day, okay? GameStop got a disgusting volume spike towards the end of the day, and it is still in after hours. Now, depending on if there's a video or not tonight, I need everybody to pay attention to what happens in GameStop after hours, because come Monday, July 18th, GameStop split will be occurring, so some shorts could be afraid of this. Now, GameStop is fighting this resistance, all right, throughout the whole night. Watch for a break over 143. I want GameStop to break over 143. Let's see, your opinion on calls and puts next week. My opinion on the calls and puts is that it's risky because they already ran over 20% this week, or at least AMC did, and GameStop did pretty well as well. So it's a little risky. I mean, if you were looking at this from a technical standpoint, you'd expect a little bit of retracement. But if you're looking for a YOLO, I would say definitely calls, because, remember, not financial advice, but because of what we have drawn out, it's getting extremely close to a break out of this pennant that we have drawn out. And I wish I didn't delete my drawings earlier. Now it's going to take me about a fucking hour or two to re-chart my entire chart on TradingView. And I don't know what the fuck this is that I have drawn out. I just tried to do it quick on stream. But essentially, we're looking for that breakout. We're at that next big point of interest, especially where AMC has been. Let's see. Thank you for the stream, bro. Absolutely no problem. I appreciate all you guys joining in. Trade algo showing AMC green in dark pool activity. Really? Space Ape, what's good, bro? This is the first time you chatted right when the stream's over. Ding, ding, ding. IP'd in Kenny's pool drops the bell. 1532 or 1538. Good deal. I made beer money. W. That's, yep, everybody. We made W. Drop rockets in the chat here. AMC closed 1538. Let's see if they're making any moves after hours yet. We're going to see that weird tick happening after hours, and depending on what it is, it could be stop loss hunting. So just be careful. People who putting limit orders, they're hunting for those. They're probably exchanging shares, washing them off, and doing some bullshit. So be careful with that. But overall, I think that's going to be it. That was a fun stream. I hope I didn't miss anybody. If you want up to 10 free stocks, make sure to not use Shitty Weeble and hit the link pinned in the top comments and also pinned in the description to download Moomoo and get up to 10 free stocks just for doing so. We are also in a trading challenge on there, 100 to 1K. So anybody who has a small account or just has 100 lying around, feel free to join that. The S&P closed green today. What is going on? This is the weirdest day, the weirdest time I chose to live stream. I didn't plan on it, and then I was like, let's live stream, and we live streamed, and it was a weird day. I'm not going to lie, it was really weird. Jeffrey Forbes just posted a video saying you can't make this up. Yeah, deadass. Sign up to Moomoo with the link, thanks. Thank you, Antoinette. Shout out to you. Amazing mod. Jeffrey Forbes posted a video. Feel free to go check out his video, hit the like button, support the channel. Yes, if you guys want to hit the like, feel free to do so. Dude, that's it. If you want to see that video of me going to Wall Street and getting turned down by these guys in suits, these scumbags, make sure to become a member and watch that video. Do you live trade every day? I'm going to be, but that's going to be on members, and I'm going to be live trading futures. But do we live trade every day, as in that trading challenge on Moomoo? We take trades as snipes, so we get 3-day trades a week, but we don't always use them. If I see the SPY is about to do something fundamentally like clear as day, a drop or a spike, we're probably going to hop into that, and we will go live and disclose that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys want your Where's Gary hats, make sure to hit the link down below to check out the merch. But that's it. Pretty much it. I think I cleared everything. I appreciate everybody hopping in the stream. We're going to end it now. I'm going to check out a little bit of stuff and get my stuff together for a video. It probably won't come out tonight or may. I don't know. I'm just really hungry. I got to go eat some food. Yeah, that's it. Shows which hedge funds are for or against AMC and GME. Nasty. Okay. Green and dark pools. Oh, interesting. All right. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for hopping in. Enjoy the weekend. Seriously, enjoy the weekend. This is nasty, 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 nasty stuff. Okay, I'm happy. I'm happy with today. Streamed for like 3 hours. My head hurts. I need lunch. Peace out, guys. Have a great weekend. You too, Kevin. You too, Pete. Yo, real quick before the end of the stream, I peed in Kenny's pool. You should go shit in Kenny's pool this weekend. But yeah, let's fucking go. Stream's over. Peace out, guys. Peace.